How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Are you one of the residents here?
Yeah.
Was this all backfire or did it burn this close?
It burned to the ridge and then they backlit it.
Wow.
But it pretty much burned to the fire road almost.
That's insane. Woo! Oh my God! Oh my God! Whoa! Oh, that was close. Woo! Wow!
That was great.
Oh, I'm going in my car. Holy moly! Wow! Okay. Woo! Wow! Oh my God! Okay, let's go. I've never been that close to a lightning strike in my life. Holy moly! Wow! Wow, that scared the crap out of me. Oh my God. What's the timestamp on that? 58 minutes? Oh my God. Jeez Louise. Wow. I can't believe I got that on video. Holy moly. Woo! Wow! Woo! Talk about a shot of adrenaline. Oh my God. Wow. Look at these guys. I'm gonna make I'm gonna clip that out and post it separately. Holy moly. That was insane. Wow. My God. All right. All right, what's next, guys? What a stream. Holy moly. Woo! Okay. Let's turn the air on. So the homeowners were saying the fire came right up to that ridge and they lit a backfire from that fire road. So you can see how close the fire was and how close the lightning was. So as you can imagine, that's happening all through the mountains, setting fires. Only 30, no, I got 111 likes on my end. Wow. Woo! That was probably just feet away from me. I don't know where it hit exactly, but that was just feet away from me, that lightning. Look, you know what? That might have been it right there. It's hard to tell because it's already burn area, but look at this spot right here. Did the lightning strike right there? I don't know. I was feet away from that. My God. That could have been the spot. I don't know. It's raining again. Wow. I'll never forget that. Holy moly. So I've seen my share of natural disasters. I've been in earthquakes, fires, hurricanes, tornadoes. I've been in a tornado, floods, and I was almost struck by lightning just now. Wow, that is just crazy. Oh my God. Maybe I should buy a lottery ticket today. What do you think? Man.